Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch first and last name in Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data, and this is for the first name and also the last name. And as you can see, that the first one is the last name and the second one is the first name. So I'm going to switch it. Okay, I'm going to select this column like this, and we're going to go to the data and select the text to column, and we're going to choose delimited. Click on next, and then we're going to check the comma. We're going to use the comma as the delimiter, and then click on next and finish. Okay, and then I'm going to combine these two columns. I'm going to combine it here. I'm just going to name it switched column. Okay, to recombine two columns, we need to type in the first name like this, and then you're going to select the column and click Control and E. Okay, and then the column will be combined. Okay guys, and that's all the way to switch first and last name in Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.